Morning, sir.
Very good morning. How are you? Are you all fine?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Sit down, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Dear children, today I am going to tell you some of celebrating English poets. English literature is one of the vast concept. There are many English poets have presented a great gift to the English literature. Some of the poets are there here. Look at this. William Shakespeare, John Donne, John Milton, John Dryden, right? Alexander Pope, Thomas Gray, Oliver Goldsmith, William Wordsworth, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. These are the great poets in English. Today, I am going to tell you one of the greatest English poets is named called William Shakespeare. Can you show me who is William Shakespeare? Please stand up. What's your name? Rupa, can you show me in this picture? I think there are 9 portraits or pictures in this page. Am I right? Can you show me who is William Shakespeare in this picture? Huh? Yes, this one, no? Yes, first one. First one is appearance. Look at his hair is so long and curly hair, and his forehead is have a broad forehead. You know, the broad forehead, and have a long curly hair. Okay, William Shakespeare, one of the greatest English poets, as we know that. He was born on 26th April, please sit down, in the year of 1564. He was lived in the 15th century. Compared to Kannada literature, English literature is not an oldest literature. Compared to Kannada, Kannada is the oldest literature. Before, you just heard Ranna, Ponna, Pampa, Janna. So they were lived in before Christ. In a BC they were lived. You just imagine how oldest Indian Kannada literature is. But this one, English, it is, we have a history of just after the Shakespeare life, 15th century. After the 15th century. So compared to Kannada, this is of Kannada literature is formed after the 1500 years. Now I am talking about that one, after the 1500 years. I am telling you, Kannada literature as Kannada laureates are the poets like Pampa, Ranna, Janna. They were lived in a BC, before the born of the Yesu Christ. Right? Yes, before the birth of Yesu Christ. Now I am telling about after the birth of Yesu Christ, after 1500 years. After 1500 years of Yesu Christ's birth, the Shakespeare who lives. So, and he was died. Now I am telling you, just tell her to come forward. He is lived 1564 to 1616. It is his period. About Shakespeare. Shakespeare. His full name is William
Shakespeare.
Yes. He is an English poet and a playwright, widely regarded as the greatest writer in English language. So, the world's eminent dramatist. He is famous for dramatist. What is called dramatist? One who can write the drama is called dramatist, also called a playwright. You have a Kannada poets who write some dramas. Okay, dramas. Dramas means yes, ನಾಟಕಗಳು. ನಾಟಕಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. He is famous dramatist. He is often called England's national poet and the Bard A1. His works consist of 38 plays and 154 sonnets. He has, as we know, play are called a drama. It has how much? 38 and a sonnets 154. Dear children, he has written only 38 dramas. There is a one line, without knowing or without learning or without a study of the Shakespeare, one will not finish his degree of English. He will not able to teach English without learning a Shakespeare. Do you understand? In Kannada I am telling you, Shakespeare na ಓದ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. You know why? He has such a great content in his poem, drama. So again his dramas have three kinds. One is dramas have three kinds, that is comedy, tragedy. Another one is tragic. Very good. Tragic comedy. First one, second one, third one. These are the three varieties and the kinds of the dramas he has written. Comedy. Comedy means so in that drama, in a comedy drama, it contains laugh. Very good. Laughing, funny, entertainment. So we can get enjoying while we are listening or learning the comic drama. Tragedy means where there is a death, where there is a fighting, where there is a blood, where there is a horror. Understand? Horror means it creates the frighten, it creates the fear. ಭಯವನ್ನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿಸುವಂತದ್ದು. ರಕ್ತಪಾತ, ಕೊಲೆ, so ಯುದ್ಧ, fighting. These are all called tragedy. Some of the movies in Kannada you have the tragic end. The tragic end of the movie, it means that the hero going to die at the end of the story. It is called tragedy. Understand? Well, there is a many comedy actors are played and they makes the movie so funny and every audience are laughing with a loud voice. It is a tragedy. It is a comedy. Where there is a mixing of the both tragedy and comedy, tragic comedy. These dramas, there are 38 dramas consist of tragedy, comedy and tragic comedy. Understand? So some of his works are, I am listing out. Shakespeare works made a last impression on theatre and literature. Some of them is, some of the dramas are enacted, played on the stages. I mean, ಇವನ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನಾಟಕಗಳು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ. In Kannada, Dr. Rajkumar movie, as a professor of English in Mysore University, he is not a real professor of Mysore University. In the movie or in the cinema, he played as a professor. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಶೇಕ್ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ನ ನಾಟಕದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. Some of his dramas title are, ಇವರ ನಾಟಕಗಳು, As You Like It, Comedy Errors, Merchant of Venice. Some of them I am going to write. As You Like It, As You, ಅಡಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಹತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. As You Like It, comedy of errors. The Merchant of Venice. Okay, like that. Romeo Juliet. Have you heard? Romeo and Juliet. Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar. Macbeth. King Lear, Othello, Antony and Cleopatra. Understand? The Midsummer Night's Dream, The Taming of the Shrew, The Tempest, The Two Gentlemen of Verona, King John, Richard, Henry IV. There are many. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ 38 ಡ್ರಾಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 10-12 ಡ್ರಾಮಾಸ್ ಓದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರೋಮಿಯೋ ಜೂಲಿಯಟ್, ಅಥೆಲೋ, King Lear, Merchant of Venice, Macbeth, Julius Caesar, Comedy Errors, As You Like It, Romeo and Juliet. There are many dramas I have read when I was doing MA in English. I read that. Some of the dramas are also I have seen in a theatre or in the the drama theatre, or what you can say the stages. Dear children, why today your teacher came and started telling about the Shakespeare, about his dramas, tragedy, comedy, tragic comedy? This fellow is the great man who is the great resource for the English literature. Dear children, today I am going to tell you one story about which was written by William Shakespeare. It is called, you can say it is a story or a drama that is called The Merchant of Venice. The Merchant of Venice story I am going to tell you. It's very wonderful story. I think you like it very much. Are you happy to hear, or can I stop here for you to telling a story? Shall I tell you a story or not? Say, open your mouth. Say, if you want to listen a story, say yes. Don't want, say no.
Yes, sir.
You want to listen a story?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful story. I think you like it very much. Shall I wipe this one? Except this Merchant of Venice, then a bit ಉಳಿದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, okay? Because I want a board. This drama, or it is called, okay, can you guess, is it a tragedy, or it is a comedy, or it is a tragic comedy? Can you guess?
Tragic comedy.
Very good. This Merchant of Venice is a
Tragic comedy.
tragic comedy. It has a mix of tragedy and
Comedy.
Dear children, be alert, be quiet, listen to me carefully. This is the story, but a drama. In that story, there are many characters, or the character players, what we can say. What is say in Kannada? Patragalu. Okay. Here, there are two friends were there. One is Bassanio. Bassanio. Another one is Antonio. Antonio. These two were true friends. They were true friends. There is a saying, true friends are rare. Keep them with care.
Yes, sir.
I am always being told this.
Yes, sir.
There are many kinds of the friends for there. And how one can become a friends? How one can become a friends of other? In Kannada, ಹೇಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬನ ಸ್ನೇಹವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನ ಸ್ನೇಹವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so whatever the qualities, for example a person A and person B, these two were friends. you just understand how one can become a friends. ಹೇಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್, no, don't say ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗುಣ, good character or the good features. Whatever the qualities that we have, whatever the qualities we have, maybe good, bad, anything else, which should be accepted by A. And whatever the qualities that A had, bad, good, or anything else, it should be accepted by the B. Then they become a friends. Understand? If A character is not accepted by the B, will not become a friends. I am not want to become a friends. You go lost, you get lost like this. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಹೋಗಲೇ ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಬೈತಾನೆ, ನಾನು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Is it right? Same way, the characters and the attitudes and behaviors and some of the things which are accepted by the A, then A will become a friend of the B, like this. So here there are many qualities are matched and accepted by the Bassanio and Antonio, so they become a true friends. So I am saying that true friends are rare, ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಿಗೋದು. So that keep them with care. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೊ. Right, dear friends, I told you of friends, even friends ಅಂದೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, so you are accepted me. Right, here Bassanio and Antonio were the good friends. Here Antonio is a little rich. Little rich means what we can say. Neha, please stand up. Antonio, you are getting sleep, no? You are getting like this, all like this. Sit down. Antonio, he had some little money. His character is always being help to the poor. He always being help to the needy person. He always having a good character. Many of the villages, okay, so he lived, both of them lived in a village of Venice, okay. ವೆನಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ರು ವಾಸವಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಸೇನಿಯೋ is a little rich, he can try to and able to help to the others. So Bassanio is his good friend. Understand? Every story there is a hero and a villain. Very good. Here is a one villain. His name called Shylock. His name called Shylock. Shylock is a miser person. Miser means jibuna, and he is also called a money lender. Money lender means one who can give money to others with a profit of getting a interest. ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಡ್ಡಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. If that person who received money, if he is unable to give back in a certain period, he started giving harassment. ತುಂಬಾ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದ, harass ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. So he is a very rich compared to Antonio. He is a very rich. He is a bad man. He is a villain. He is a miser. Many of the villagers were not liked by Shylock. ಇವನನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Why do Antonio was liked by many of the villagers in that Venice? Because he is a good person. He helped the poor. He did not charge much interest. Okay, so that he was liked by the all villagers. So Shylock is getting angry with the Antonio because he loses, Antonio loses the Antonia Shailak's business because Shaila gives money to the others for interest. ಇವ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಡ್ಡಿಯನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹಣವನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಡ್ಡಿಯನ್ನು ವಸೂಲು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಇವನಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಲಾಭ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆ ನಡುವೆ ಆಂಟೋನಿಯಾ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದ, ಬಡ್ಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಶೈಲಾಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಎನಿಮಿಟಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಆಂಟೋನಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೈಲಾ. ಶೈಲಾಕ್ಕೂ ಮತ್ತು ಆಂಟೋನಿಯಾಗೂ ಎನಿಮಿಟಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. Because of this small reason, Antonia helps the poor, but Shaila did not consider whether he is a poor or rich. He only is giving money to the person. He must charge the interest. So that there is a small enmity taken place between the Antonia and Shaila. Today I am telling a story. So one fine day, what happened? Bassanio ask a money to Antonio. Bassanio is a good friend of Antonio. Antonio hatra bandu Bassanio ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Bassanio ಬಂದು Antonio, I want some money. Yes. For what? You know why? So twist is taken place here. He ask money to Antonio for he had a love with one woman, her name called Portia. Bassanio loves Portia. Portia was a rich lady. She had some property and money with her. One who can marry the Portia, all the money and properties of Portia comes to the one who can going to marry her. ಅವಳನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So that Bassanio wanted to decorate himself by wearing a outcoat, waistcoat, pant, shoe, cap and something else. So he want to decorate himself so that he wants some money. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So he asked a money to Antonio. You understanding the story?
Yes, sir.
At the moment, Antonio had no money. ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Present Antonio had no money, but Bassanio need a money very immediately or urgent. He want the money urgently. So there is only one chance. Antonio goes to Shaila. I want the money. My friend is going to marry a Portia. After the marriage, all the properties and money of the Portia will come in the under hand of the Bassanio. He will give it back. Please give me. No. I don't want a Bassanio or anything else. You want money? You just take it. And there is one agreement taken place between the Antonio and Shaila. What is that agreement? If you give it back, certain time, okay, or else if you fail to pay back, if you fail to give back, Shaila had a right ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಕ್ಕು, right to get flesh from Antonio's body. ಏನಂತ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್? Agreement taken place between Shaila and Antonio. He must give back in a certain period, within a certain period. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸದೊಳಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. If he fail ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೈಲಾಕಿನ ಬಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ಶೈಲಾಕು ಆಂಟೋನಿಯೋ ಬಾಡಿಯಿಂದ 1 ಪೌಂಡ್ POUND ಪೌಂಡ್ 1 ಪೌಂಡ್ ಏನನ್ನ ಫ್ಲೆಶ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಫ್ಲೆಶ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಂಸ. ಇವನ ದೇಹದಿಂದ ಆಂಟೋನಿಯೋ ದೇಹದಿಂದ 1 ಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the pound? Pound is a weight. You have a bread.
Yes,
pound
sir.
bakery. ಇದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದು. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪೌಂಡ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತೂಕ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ 350 grams and 360 something gram ಮೇ ಬಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ವಸ್ತು ಫ್ಲೆಶ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಆಂಟೋನಿಯೋ ಬಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ರೈಟ್. As they signed and both of them signed and Shylock gave money to Antonio. Antonio received the money from Shylock and gave it to Bassanio. So Bassanio received the money from Antonio and he decorated himself and he attract his lover Portia. He got married and they started living happily. One fine day, Shylock remembered Antonio to give it back his given money. He called the Bassanio. Bassanio was not in a station, maybe in out of station. He went somewhere. Hello, hogidda. At the time, Antonio have no money on the dudu. So he Shylock go to Antonio and make pressure to give it back. So after the moment, he showed his agreement. You are failed to give it back. You know, ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ fail ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Now I have a right to get a flesh from your body. ನಿನ್ನ ದೇಹದಿಂದ blood. ಒಂದು pound, no, it's kg. 1 pound, maybe 360-350 gram. So ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. This case went to the king of the Venice ರಾಜ್ಯದ king ಅಥವಾ ವೈಫ್. Right. ಹೀಗೋ this information goes to Bassanio. Bassanio ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ he is in a trouble. He is in a trouble because of Bassanio. Is it right? Bassanio ದಿಂದ ಅವನು trouble ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. So Bassanio go to Shylock. Oh dear Shylock, this what the Antonio is in this situation, it's only from me. ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. So I will give you money. What you charges? You want double? You want a triple? You want a 4 time? What you have given, I am ready to give you. But Shylock couldn't accept. No, I don't want money. I want a flesh from the Antonio's body, because the agreement is like this. Agreement, what is the agreement says? If he failed to give it back, he had a give back money. He had a right to get a flesh from Antonio's body, 1 pound. So case is taken place. The king is in a judgment place. King is sitting in a highest order. In the king's both sides, the people are the for and against Bassanio, Antonio, all are present. So here is the one. It is a very twist is taken place here. Portia, who is a Portia? Bassania's wife. She came in a pretending of. He came with a lawyer dress. Okay, Portia lawyer dress ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ. She started arguing. What she is saying, what she is arguing, Portia ವಾದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ? My dear Shylock, please understand. Okay, Antonio is asked money from you. Of course, I agree with you. So at the time, what he get the time, he is unable to give it back, of course. But now he is ready to give it back. Please accept it. Show mercy. ಮರ್ಸಿಯನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸು, ಕರುಣೆಯನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. what he is telling, what she is telling, that is a poem quality of the mercy. How is the quality of the mercy is? The quality of the mercy is not strained. It droppeth the gentle rain from the heaven upon the place beneath. It is twice blessed. It blesseth him that gives, and in that case it is mightiest in the mightiest in the arms. Stop. Dear children, this way Portia is explaining and she is telling a poem or a song how the mercy is powerful. In this way, Shakespeare has explained how the mercy is in the mouth or in the character of the Portia. Okay, so today I am going to stop. Okay, stop.